Good Sunday morning, everybody. Yeah, I'm rolling my hours forward, so I'm not driving late night. It's more like early morning. Anybody out there with me? Yeah, I'm about to start driving Uber here a short bit. I guess everybody's heard about the drones up in New Jersey and a few other places being spotted. And I'm sure they're all curious what's going on. I sure am, but I don't know. There's been several scenarios that some people are thinking they may be holding info from the public because it may be excuse me, an actual search, maybe US drones, and they may be trying to use different sensors for detecting whether there's prospective chemical or radiation from things, and they're trying to hold it from the public so that they don't think it's something bad, that they would panic and rioting and looting and craziness happening. So don't know about that. It could be either or. I haven't a clue with this administration current before the change. I'm not sure that they would actually reveal to us what's going on. They're not as straightforward with all the information they know, and they're probably trying to hide things from the medias, or if they're I don't think our own military and agencies are that incompetent not to know who and what they are. I think they just want to, they just want to cover something up so there's not panic. That's why they're saying don't shoot at them. No, we don't need to shoot them down. So I don't know, maybe let me know what you think in the comments or chats. So not sure what's going on with the chat thing. It's not letting me see chats. Let's see, maybe this is it. Chat filter, top messages, see, community moderation. How about show every message, including potential spam? No. With potential spam. Hide chat? No. Messages. Okay. Trying to see which buttons for the chat.